Hi. Okay, so I saw your vlog last week. It was too cool. I'm really sad to hear that you're sick. That's not good. I'm not sick. I'm healthy. I don't have muscles. Anyway, so I have to give you some sad news. My college starts from today, and it's not really nice that it's starting. I'm dreading it and stuff like that. Was just 12th grade and shit. And I had to ask you some questions actually, since you're going to UK in August. I just wanted to ask you what exams did you need to give for the university there? I needed to know that, and yeah, because I want to go to after my 12th grade itself, but not for the same thing you're going for. I want to do economics and psychology or literature and psychology major. But that aside, that's going to be in the future. So just help me out here. If you could guide me with certain things about the whole UK thing, it would really be cool. Anyway, so you're reading really good books, and I'm really jealous. And I know Landmark. That's exactly where my boyfriend got me the Kurt Cobain book from, the biography. I really wanted to go there because it's like me and books are like inseparable, and Harry Potter, yes, top notch. But I haven't. I don't know. I'm not that big a Harry Potter fan. Not as big as you. That's for sure. But yeah, he's pretty damn cool for a teenager, man. And I think Emma Watson looks really good. Like, really good. And I have two books lined up for myself. One is my favorite author, Paulo Coelho. And another one which I know you would be interested in, Porno! See the little whip and such, and then the satiny kind of background, and it's so orgasmic. Oh. But anyway, I haven't got down to reading that yet because I have to prepare myself for today, and I don't really like that. I have to travel by train all over again, which stinks like shit, and get pushed around by fat women who have been traveling by train all their lives. As for Jersey Shore, oh my god, that show is pathetic. Have you seen Snooki's rack? It's like 10 times mine. And dude, she's like really short. She's minuscule. She'll be around like 4'11" or something. Even with heels, she's like that tiny. And she's fat and fake tanned and fake eyelashes and dirty fake nails, and and it's such a pathetic program. It's a waste of time. It's just a waste of life. It amuses me, but at the same time I get damn pissed off even watching it. So that's that. And come on, man, it would have been fun if I told them I didn't know my mother at the Chinese station. It would have been too cool. It wouldn't have been rude. It would have been fun, just to get curious. But I guess curiosity kills a cat. And ooh, I'm just showing something really weird. My new BlackBerry cover, it's actually glow in the dark. I don't think this is going to glow because it's not dark. Is it glowing? No, it's not. I'll try and make it glow. It's okay, it's not glowing. At the moment, it's too bright. And yeah. What do you think though? It's like a rubbery cover, it's like a condom. You know what I was thinking actually? This reminds me. I think they should start making glow in the dark condoms. I think that would really be helpful to curious, kinky teenagers like yourself and me. Uh, Although we lack penises and have vaginas, but like glow in the dark dildos and such should be fun. Food for thought. Uh, yeah, so that. And since college is starting, I was thinking I can probably one of the days meet you. That was not a nice expression, it was a very weird one. Hey, so I will probably meet you because I'll be in college and you're not like far away or anything. Just get out of your goddamn house and meet me, please. And yeah, we probably chill out together. I'm planning to carry my camera everywhere I go from now on because it's good to take pictures. And it's not a fabulous camera, it's just a 6.0 megapixel, but it's fun. And I want to go for Karate Kid and Sex and the City too. Really badly. What's your take on that? And yeah. So let me know about the whole UK thing. Answer my queries. Tell me when you want to meet me. And your take on Sex and the City 2 and Karate Kid and more of Jersey Shore and the book porno. And yeah, just keep me posted. Bye.